Dust on the tires, sun hanging high, windows down, river in the sky. You hear it first, that steady call, before you see falling waterfall. No trailhead sign, no long delay, just a shoulder wide enough to stay. Cool runs clear over weathered stone, right off the road but feels unknown. Kids kick boots, laugh to fly, shirts on rocks, swimming eyes. Some places hide, some places tall. This one meets you where you are. Falling waterfalls don't make me prove how far I've come or how much I move. You don't ask nothing, you don't delay, you're right there pouring in the day. If heaven's close to the passenger side, it's falling waterfall right off the ride. Old timers talk about summers gone, when the road was dirt and the days were long. Same cold water, same blue shade, same memories getting freshly made. Ain't much change is worth recall when the water's still flowing hella fall. Falling waterfalls, wide and free, ain't no gate between you and me. From the driver's seat to swimming holes, just one good step and you're letting go. If the world gets hard or walls feel tall, jump in deep at falling waterfalls. I walk a long way to find my peace, chased it uphill, paid the lease, but peace don't care how you arrive. Sometimes it's where you pull aside, says take the day, don't overthink, then hands you cold, clear water to drink. Evening light turns copper gold, water keeps stories it's never told. Towels dry on the hood of a car, crickets tune up, moon ain't far. Nobody's counting time or cost, just leaving better than we got. Falling waterfalls stay the same for every tired soul and summer name. Right by the road, open and kind, a gift you don't have to earn or find. If simple joy still gets a call, it's ringing loud at falling waterfalls. When the road feels heavy, life feels thin, I'll pull right over and dive back in. No long goodbye, no curtain call, just water falling, falling waterfalls.